Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zafar Khan. You are watching ZK Multitech. Today I will show you how to hold contactor. For example, you have done connection for the contactor, but you don't know how to see. This one, if you press it, it is not holding. How to hold it? See, there is NC point and NO point. What is happening? Once you press it, power is coming here, but it is not continuous because this is NO and this is NC. How you have to hold? You need to give power to NO. Once it is get on, so the power will continue through NO, normally open point. How it will? Let's see. I will connect the power. Now I connect this loop and I will switch on. Let's see. You can see now it is hold. So this how you can hold the contactor. If you remove the loop, you will see it will release, because you can see this is released already. Because with push button you need to hold the contactor with NO point. You need to give loop from A1 to NO, and the same NO outside you need to give to the push button. You can see this is green switch, this is red switch. You can give here, also you can give here. In this loop you can connect the hold, then it will hold the contactor. Otherwise, if you don't give loop, it will not hold. It will be like that only. After connecting loop, see again. You can see I connect again the loop, it will hold. This how you can connect the loop.